Stress-free training and resource management with MINT TMS. Pam is an airline training planner and responsible for scheduling the training for hundreds of pilots and cabin crew at her airline. In the past, Pam used to struggle with increasing number of incoming jobs. Managing complex tasks for hundreds of trainees with outdated spreadsheets is nearly impossible, and Pam always felt she might have forgotten something. Since Pam has been working with MINT TMS, she easily plans hundreds of training events in a few hours, which before MINT could have taken several days. The scheduling wizard allows fine-tuning of the training schedule and notifies all assigned colleagues. Now that Pam can manage by exception only, she knows for sure that nothing gets overlooked, and all trainees and instructors know when they have training, where they need to be, and what they have to prepare for. Tom is a flight training examiner and is responsible for checking the flying skills of his airline colleagues. In the past, Tom used a lot of old-fashioned paper forms. This involved a lot of handwriting and is not only time-consuming, but is prone to error. In fact, he never could focus 100% on the trainee's performance, which can be very dangerous under real flight conditions. Since Tom's company has acquired MINT TMS, a powerful software with e-grading capabilities, Tom can easily manage all kinds of forms with his tablet. Online or offline, he simply selects the form he needs for the session, fills the previously assigned fields, and selects from easy-to-grasp reason codes. Finally, Tom has enough time to carefully monitor the trainee's actions in the cockpit and focus on precise and accurate training evaluation at the same time. Stephen is Pam and Tom's boss. He manages the entire training organization and is responsible for keeping all flight crew, instructors, and other employees' qualifications and licenses current. Yet operations for airline training are becoming more complex every year. In addition, training costs was constantly increasing, and the administration was asking for improvement. Since Stephen has seen a MINT TMS live demonstration by one of the MINT software experts, he knew that this user-friendly tool would solve all their problems from day one. The flexible, all-in-one software, MINT TMS, made their lives so much easier. The fully automatic scheduling optimization, records management, and e-grading capability were exactly what was missing to increase their service quality and training performance. And with the integral, easy-to-use, and precise reporting and analysis tool, Stephen can create ad hoc reports with a few clicks, and the event training cost becomes totally transparent. If you would like to see how MINT TMS software can help your training organization to become more efficient, reliable, and how the training capabilities can unlock huge money-saving potential, contact us for a live, free software demonstration now.